What's up, y'all? It's your boy ClarenceNyc, and welcome back to my reaction channel. Yes, it's been a while. It's been a little while since I've done reactions due to Vlogmas and everything, and my full attention and everything was going towards that. You know what I'm saying? So I didn't do reactions, or I haven't done any videos on my personal channel in a little while. My personal channel is a little more difficult just because I feel like I need a videographer for that. But maybe I'll do some over there. Leave some ideas because I pay attention to the comments. But we are back on the reactions. I heard YouTube has been a little bit boring, you know what I'm saying? So I haven't missed any big or major reactions that people want to see. But as y'all already know, the other day my boy Osiris jacket went viral. You know what I'm saying? Everybody was at his jacket and his outfit. So we're about to react to it. We're about to go see what people had to say about YK's jacket. And if you guys haven't noticed, I got a new webcam. I probably look even more handsome right now. You know what I'm saying? Because this webcam is busting. You know what I'm saying? It is a lot more expensive than the one I had previously. So let me know. Let me know if the content is better. If it's not, I'm about to return this shit. So let me know. But let's get right into it.
Speak your piece. I'll let you speak it. I'll let you speak your piece.
Right?
I will let you speak your piece.
For the fat jokes, and that's all cool. But can you please?
No! That's not talking about.
I want to see those pants.
Honestly, guys, in my opinion, that the jacket wasn't bad. It's not a bad jacket. It's not a Gucci jacket, but it's taken from like Gucci products and people make a jacket. You know what I'm saying? So I don't think the outfit I don't think the jacket was bad, but the outfit was horrible. You know what I'm saying? I finally get to like comment and give my opinion on some drip. The outfit was bad. It was oversaturated with Gucci. The prints weren't matching. Then he threw on the Gucci socks with the Gucci slippers with the print not matching. It's like too much. It's like almost as if he tried too hard.
Please,
right?
bro, because I love you too, little bro. But please go get those pants, bro. Go get the pants. And get the shoes too, nigga. Don't leave the shoes in the dump socks you had on too, nigga. Please get those shoes. Now listen, now look, do me a favor. Put those pants next to that jacket.
I actually want those pants. I like that
Osiris,
pants.
do you see that
But
those is two
look
different
at the two different
shades,
prints
nigga?
though.
No, listen. I get you. I understand.
Shut up, wait. Do you see that is two different
Different
shades?
prints.
Osiris.
But doesn't mean okay. But
And
doesn't
one more
mean
thing, wait, and one more thing. No, I never said the jacket was fake. I just said Gucci didn't make it. Look.
Hey man, you said Gucci didn't make
No,
it.
listen. I'm just asking. Listen, why would you wear those socks with that whole thing? Like you had the socks on with the Jesus Walk Gucci's.
I feel like, but listen, can I
With the Jesus sandals back.
You know, I want to be Gucci down.
Oh, so you want to be Gucci man? Okay, you want to be Gucci man for the day. I understand.
But I want to say is that you forgot that you was better one of these days.
No, I just changed. I didn't forget. I never forget.
You acting like you was never fat.
Listen, just like I lost weight, you gotta gain some sense of style because that was not it. That's horrible.
Okay.
And as your bro, I'm here to tell you because I dress. I know how to dress. So because I know how to dress, I'm here to tell you.
You said you know how to dress.
Because I know how to dress.
Now I'm not gonna lie. DJ Mush was one of the flyest in the game. Low key though, like nobody even knows. Like no one even gives him his credit or like. But DJ Mush should be having that shit on.
So sorry that you cannot put two different shades of Gucci on and think that you being Gucci man. That's not cool, bro.
You're right. Listen.
Who let you walk out like the cameraman walked into a wall? Why did you stop him? The whole video was throw the whole video away, Osiris.
Listen.
Throw the whole video away. You pissed me off.
Hey, 2021. I'm the new king of R&B, baby.
Come on, man.
But listen.
Bruh,
King
man.
of R&B, baby. But listen. Why your hair?
We all have bad fit days. We all have bad fit days. It's nothing personal.
Okay, but you acting like I always wear bad fit. This is my first.
No. I said it's a bad fit day. You just got caught. 21. He threw the ball and I just dunked it. That's just if you would have. Listen. If we would have been in the studio and you walked in like that, somebody would have said something.
Facts, especially around the niggas I be with and the niggas I've met. Niggas are saying something. As soon as you, oh shit, nigga, you got 2 different Gucci's on, nigga. What the fuck? Where did you get that jacket from?
Man, we're in the studio with 5 people. They ain't say shit to me.
Because they fake, man. They are fake. You wasn't around your real friends, man. They are fake. Bro, you hop on this jacket right now dancing to Michael Jackson with Nike Tech pants on.
But the jacket fire.
No. I wouldn't wear the jacket.
I wouldn't wear it. I don't think I would wear it.
No,
maybe I would wear a different color. I think the red is screaming cheap to me. I don't know. That red screams cheap. That's exactly why Gucci and like they don't stay away from them colors like that. It just screams cheap. It looks like I don't know.
You got a jacket like this.
No, I don't.
Nigga, T said you got a jacket like this. What's your back? Can't fit it.
That's probably too big now. I understand. I love that, man, because you bring me. I need niggas like you to humble me so I can go hit the gym. Cause I need
yes, bro.
I need that. I bet you won't never put them different shades of Gucci on again. I bet you that.
I would never do it again.
And that's all that matters. Nothing else matters. I'm gonna send you some beats, man. I'm gonna send you some beats. But don't wear no shit like that no more, man. That ain't cool, man.
Okay, do it. Are you gonna send me some beats?
I'm gonna send you some beats, but don't wear no shit like that no more, man.
Hey, listen.
Because that ain't it. Listen, step back. You got it. Look better with the Nike Tech pants. No, listen.
Nah. Osiris dude, we're gonna drift a little bit.
You really was like, come on. You put on the jacket.
I feel like that.
With tan shoes. Osiris, you giving me Swanky vibes with that, dude. What you doing?
Why you feel like dyeing your hair is cute too?
I'm not talking to no other man about what's
cute and what's not. He got a point.
I said, why you feel like that's fire though?
Why do I feel like it's fire?
Why do you feel like it's fire? That's your hair and you dye your hair.
Because I'm me.
And you got a bobber head.
Because
I don't get it.
You thought your hair was you remember that picture that used to be floating around with the neck and mole rat with the earrings? They used to call it was you.
Yeah.
Don't talk about nobody's head, man. Come on. Oh, sorry. Listen. It's not. Look, we can. Let's bygones be bygones. You got an old picture of me in your icon. You got me back. But I bet you one thing. Y'all will never wear that dumb outfit again. Whoever let you walk out like that, the camera.
Horrible. Yo, if you let your friends out the house looking a certain way, you really not their friend. Like no funny shit, no cap.
Get it twisted. Don't get it twisted. I don't wear this again, but not again.
Okay, that's all that matters. That's all that matters. That's the lesson of the day. Don't wear Gucci on Gucci with Gucci. You got Gucci.
I'll never do that again.
That's all that matters, man. I'm gonna send you some shit, man. I'm gonna get up out of here, man. I'm gonna go work out because I don't want to get back to how I am in your icon.
All right, we'll take a back over.
Yeah, in a real way.
Now I got you for 21. But you better keep talking and pass balls. So you want to say add him. You get some zone.
Bro, I ain't showing my face, bro. Look, bro. Put that material back on your book bag, Osiris, bro. Stop doing it, bro.
Listen, bro. Listen. You want to pass the balls and shit. You want to pass the court balls and get dunks and shit. What's wrong with this fucking fit, bro?
Bro. I just told you, bro.
So what's that wrong with the jacket or something with me wearing this with the jacket?
The jacket is just like, just put the material back on your book bag, bro. You look like a suitcase, bro. You look like a Gucci suitcase, bro. Bro, how many book bags?
Yo, bro.
I'm about to call the animal control, bro.
Niggas say
Man,
like
y'all
a
need to
fucking
kill 9 animals to
suitcase.
get that goddamn material out that goddamn book bag, man.
But I'm trying to see.
It's
I'm trying to see
2021, bro.
But I'm trying to see what the hell wrong.
You look like a suitcase, YK. You look like a fucking suitcase. You look like a suitcase. Why would you do that? Why? Why? What was you thinking? You look like a suitcase, bro. You got a red lipstick, leather jacket on with a fucking Gucci purse cut up all over it. Bro, like, God, bro, you could have let your mama get the purse. You could have just gave the purse to your mama. Put it on your jacket, nigga.
So you got this off a purse?
Bro, call him and ask him where he got it from. And tell him, go give it back, bro. That's armed robbery. Y'all niggas, at this point, your outfit is theft by deception, bro.
But you know,
This shit
Yo,
theft by deception, bro. You
21
go to jail for
is
that.
flaming.
Bro, I don't give a damn if Jesus Christ made it for you, bro. It ain't it. It ain't it. It ain't it, bro.
That's not it. It's not it. It's not it.
So
I'm not gonna
you
lie, it's
telling
not
me
it.
about that this jacket is not wrong if I'm not wearing this shit?
No, it ain't never. It's not raw. It's
No,
not
it's
raw.
not it. It's
No, you
not
got
it.
the whole jacket with it.
Yeah.
You look very unseasoned right now, bro. Like you look like you ain't got no seasoning, bro. Like, bro, why would you put that on, bro? You my little
Nigga
brother, you
said
know I love you, but
seasoned.
you look like a damn fool. You look like you finna go do a Cat Williams stand up or some shit, bro. What the fuck, bro?
Nah, that ass.
Damn,
Like,
you skipping, man.
Boy,
I'm finna call Dapper Dan, bro. We gotta have a panel meeting.
yeah. Calm that down, bro.
I know Gucci wants to smoke about that outfit, bro. Ain't no way.
This real Gucci, nigga.
I don't give a damn if it's real Gucci. It ain't supposed to be on that.
This real Gucci, nigga.
That ain't Gucci ain't make that. I talked to them folks already. They said they got a lawsuit on the way, nigga. They told me they ain't make that. I asked them. I tried to order one. I said, God, I gotta order one of these from one of the J's in my hood. They love this jacket.
That's cap, nigga.
They said, damn.
That's the game made this, my nigga.
I don't give a damn who made it. T, that's my dog. I just told you if Jesus Christ made it, I would have gave it back.
So we found this, the whole thing is ugly.
Bruh, YK, bruh, you know how. Well, obviously you don't know how to dress. But bruh, don't do nothing like
Do you
that.
feel like you know? I'm trying to say, do you feel like you know how to dress though?
I know how to not look like that.
Do you feel like you know how to dress?
Bruh, go get the.
I respect that though, because 21 not really known for style. Like he flea, but like he more of a calm, clean flea. Like he not trying to put on the suitcase jacket. You know what I'm saying? Like how YK just did.
Pants. Put the pants back in the camera.
The pants made it worse.
Let me see the ends of them. See, look, they what you should have got them tailored, cause them are look loose as hell in your video. Did you get them from Gucci or did he make them too?
Nigga said, did you get those from Gucci or did he make them too? Yo, 21, I didn't know 21 was this funny.
Did he make them too?
No, nigga, I got this from Gucci.
Yeah,
but you
Gucci
got
sell
the
those.
waist taken in a little bit, bro.
Gucci definitely sell those because I want those. I haven't found them.
Man, just throw them away too, cause you done just. Look, there ain't nobody gonna ever buy them pants again after they see.
I'm not gonna lie, I don't know if I can even wear those now.
I'm gonna call Gucci and tell them take them off the shelf, man. We don't want to see them ever again.
You know what, bro? You know,
It's two different colors, bro. Them ain't even the same brown, bro.
man, I'm gonna throw this up away.
Yeah, that's what you do, bro. And then we're gonna go to therapy. Come on, throw this shit away. And why you ain't take the tag off? Why the hell you running around with a tag on your pants still, bro?
Nigga, I forgot the tag was on there.
No, the hell you did, nigga. You thought you was so fresh, you ain't even want to take the tag off.
Nigga, I swear to God, I forgot the tag was on there. I bought it, nigga, 3 days before I even, what was
Why did you buy the jacket? What was you going through when you bought the jacket? Like, what?
Yeah,
Nigga,
I want to know the
paid
story behind the jacket.
Bro, go get your money back.
Wait,
That's
how
on
much
rock.
you pay for that?
What color tee? Nigga, I paid $3,000 for it.
Bro, go get your money back.
3,000?
That's on rock, bro. Get your money back. That's on rock, bro.
What color tee then? Color tee.
Man, T know that guy jacket ain't it. He knew it when he made it. You need to add him so he can go up out there. But the jacket ugly as a. Bro. Let me see the back one more time before I get out. Let me see the back of it. Bruh.
Yo, the fucking back got me dead, bro. I'm not gonna lie, bro.
You know, let me see the back of it.
Look at the back. Look how it's like crumpled up right here. Like leather don't even do that. Like I don't even know what.
Bruh, you look like a suitcase, man. This nigga look like a suitcase.
Alright, who had that? I got to that you were talking boy. Okay. Yeah. You want to laugh too? Get your home, get all y'all. Yeah. You want to talk big boy?
Hey, look, bro. I ain't gonna be in for too long, bro. I got nothing to say, bro. This what happen when country niggas get some money, bro. That's what's wrong with it, bro. Y'all niggas too country, bro. Exactly.
So you could ask you to start on jacket with.
Hold on, I'm back. That jacket ain't.
Nah, that jacket's bad, Mo. I'm not gonna lie, it's that color, bro. That
That is
color.
it, bro.
Bad.
So I feel like.
Cause I think I seen Blue Vandross have like an orange one, and that one looks way better than this one. I still wouldn't wear it probably, but that one looks way better. Like I'd wear it if it was for free or something. I wouldn't buy it. I wouldn't pay.
Look, bro. Stop wearing at it, bro. That thriller ain't nothing, bro. And I don't even think that's real leather, bro.
Nah, that's what I
No,
said.
this real leather, what?
Nah.
You wouldn't know. On game, you
I
wouldn't
don't know.
I know you don't know. You just picked it up off what a name.
Yeah,
Hey,
man,
bro,
that's
hey, bro, take your tag off, cause I know that wasn't your first time wearing them pants, bro. Take that tag off them pants, bro.
No, this is, bro, this is the first time I wore these pants.
Make it be the last time. Hey, make it be the last time. Make it be and the jacket too, bro.
Nah, the jacket. I think he can keep the pants. I think he can definitely keep the pants.
To my uncle.
And give the
To
jacket.
your uncle, bro. Oh God.
Okay, you get your red dye color hair paint nails on too. With the pink nails and you nigga do what my sister do. I don't want to get that on too, man. I'm just get these away, bro. That's what I'm doing. Y'all want to get a nigga fit so bad, bro. I'm gonna get this shit away, bro. I'm gonna get my jacket away to one of my fans. And I'm gonna get this away. Period. I'm gonna sign it for you, my fans, and I'm gonna give it to y'all. That's simple.
Nah, well I can't do that. I only do that though.
Hey, you got all that jacket, boy? Hey, Mustard, you make hits. I know you're a doctor. Hey, Toy Lance. Hey, Toy. What you feel about my jacket, Toy? I'm gonna ask Toy, because you know he dripped out too. I want to ask Toy, what you feel about my jacket? How you feel, Toy? Because I'm doing my damn moves. Nigga, you paint your name.
Nigga sweating.
Yachty? That's all, right back at your. Hey, guess what? I'm the wrong one to be played with. The wrong one. He said I got a shit for painting my nails. That make it right? Boy, it's a bad culture. You better get your. Boy, I don't know who raised you, but you need to go there. I don't know who raised you, but guess what? I want to. 21. How can I say this?
Yo, stop, bro. Nigga Buster said, nah, bro. Really 65 and a 14-year-old body, bro. Yo, stop. I hate niggas, bro.
Y'all my niggas, y'all, we the new trend. I don't want to get on y'all. I don't want to get on the brothers. We are brothers. I don't want to get on y'all ass. Come on, man. Come on, goddamn little kid. Stop. Y'all brothers, right? Come on, man. I want to be friends. I don't want to get on y'all. Don't do it. Don't do it, man. Come.
Oh my god. Alright, y'all, that's my reaction right there. Sorry for going missing on y'all. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna be coming back with the videos I owe y'all. Matter of fact, since I owe y'all, comment y'all Cash App below real quick. I'm gonna bless somebody with some money. You know what I'm saying? Person I see the most in the comments. But I love y'all. Thank you guys for you know, sticking by. Keep on motivating me on Twitter and all that. Making known that I'm slacking or not doing videos and being on me. Really do appreciate that. And make sure you comment what you think about YK Osiris outfit. What would you rate it 1 through 10? Holla at y'all.